there we go. Hit it again. Let's walk over here. Oh, isn't that ever cute? Oh, the little ducks can't get up. Oh, should we help them? Maybe we should help them.
If we walk towards that place, they'd probably go to the other ramp.
Maybe.
So this is very slowly. No, don't go there.
No. Oh, there they go.
Yeah. One more.
Oh. Oh, there they go. Yay! So adorable.